All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm back to show you how to make sure that Steam is not stealing your FPS while you're trying to game, especially if you're on a computer that doesn't have a lot of RAM or it's a little on the older side. So the first thing you need to do is head to the main Steam launcher window and then go up to Steam and select Settings. Now, here inside of Settings, you're going to want to scroll all the way down to the bottom in the left-hand sidebar and go to In-Game. And the first thing that's going to be eating up and causing performance problems is going to be the Steam overlay. So here at the top, toggle that off so that you no longer have the Steam overlay showing up when you're playing games. The second thing is you're going to want to go to Library, and here you can set Steam to be in low bandwidth mode and low performance mode so that it won't be eating up your internet connection in the background by preloading content, and then it won't be trying to do fancy graphical transitions and other pretty things when you're clicking from page to page, which will eat up less of your frame rate and your computer's resources. And then the final thing, especially if you don't use Steam for most of your gaming needs or all the time, is you can go to Interface, and then down here you can disable Run Steam when my computer starts. That way Steam is only running in the background when you want it and not eating up resources in the background when you don't. So that'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. This has been a brief look at the settings to change in order to keep Steam from eating up some of your FPS. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.